As indicated by the most recent long-haul gauge, Ethereum cost will hit $6,000 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $7,000 by the center of 2025. Ethereum will ascend to $8,000 inside the extended period of 2027, $9,000 in 2030, $10,000 in 2031, and $12,000 in 2033. About Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source blockchain framework that essentially expands the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers savvy agreements and conveyed applications dApps to be fabricated and worked with practically no personal time, misrepresentation, control, or impedance from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential advancement lies in its utilization of savvy contracts. Shrewd agreements are self-executing contracts with the details of the arrangement straightforwardly composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally uphold and execute the conditions of the arrangement in light of predefined rules, without the requirement for delegates. This capacity has opened up a huge range of utilizations, from the production of decentralized finance DeFi stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for conventional monetary mediators, to the formation of decentralized independent associations DAOs that work in light of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified authority. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable blockchain, where engineers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, consequently empowering the production of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language Strength, which permits engineers to compose savvy contracts and send them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital currency, as well as in its colossal applications empowered by brilliant agreements. A stage is prepared for another period of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network the board, and then some trying customary models of control and offering another worldview of circulated agreement and trust. Why is the Ethereum cost so unstable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital currencies, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall emphatically in an exceptionally brief time frame. A few elements add to this unpredictability, making it both an intriguing and unsafe venture. Right off the bat, market opinion assumes a tremendous part. Reports, virtual entertainment posts, and public proclamations by compelling individuals can influence individuals' insights emphatically or adversely, prompting quick cost changes. For example, in the event that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as additional individuals race to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis additionally adds to the unpredictability. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in esteem so they can sell it at a benefit. This speculative exchanging can prompt quick cost swings as financial backers respond to momentary open doors or dangers, frequently founded on restricted data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it tends to be traded at a steady cost, likewise influences its instability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the cryptographic money market is less fluid. Importance, even little exchanges can immensely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt sensational cost developments as merchants endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Furthermore, administrative news can cause critical cost developments. At the point when an administration reports new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital forms of money, it can prompt vulnerability among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost dive as individuals dread the effect on Ethereum's convenience and acknowledgement. Ultimately, the innovation and improvement of Ethereum itself can impact its cost. Refreshes, new elements, or tremendous changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost changes. Financial backers could respond emphatically to updates that work on the stage's productivity, security, or versatility, prompting cost increments. Alternately, deferrals or issues with updates can prompt declines in cost. Authentic forecasts. Ya3 Ethereum value expectation 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $3,386.04, so the cost expanded by 48% from the very start of the year. The Guaji Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $6,211 and the year-to-year change plus 171%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 83%. In 2024, we hope to see $581 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $7,622. In the last part, the cost would lose $760 and close the year at $6,862, which is plus 103% to the ongoing cost. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $6,862 to $10,067, which is up 47%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $6,862, then dip to $6,796 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $69.89. That implies plus 106% from today. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $10,067 to $14,328, which is plus 42%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $10,067, then at that point take off to $10,671 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $11,271. It is about plus 233% from today. 02152 Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,782.29, so the cost expanded by 21% from the start of the year. The estimated Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $5,934, and the year-to-year change plus 159%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 113%. In 2024, we hope to see $4,695 per 1 Ethereum. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $6,547. In the final part, the cost would lose $975 and close the year at $5,572, which is plus 100% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from $5,572 to $8,626, which is up 55%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at $5,572, then at that point take off to $5,760 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $6,624. That implies plus 138% from today. Ethereum expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would ascend from $8,626 to $11,559, which is plus 34%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at $8,626, then at that point take off to $9,144 inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at $9,658. It is about plus 247% from today. 2024. Ethereum value forecast 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchange